Hello, I'm Marlo, and today this will be a psychology video and why I believe that what happened to me today during the market open is so important in everyone's trading. So, further, we will analyze the trade that I took today and also deep psychology about everything that I did and why I think this shit is important. So, let's go to charts, see what happened today, do a quick little trade recap, and then I could explain what happened in my head today. So, let me make my webcam a little bit smaller. And let's watch this little trading view. Well, yeah, this is the trade that I took today. I took this trade on NQ. I shorted right here. Well, let's do a quick little recap. So, we broke 5-minute structure to the downside. Why the fuck is this happening to me right now? But we broke 5-minute structure right here on these two indices, on both NQ and S&P 500. So, we were bearish. In the same time, we previously broke hourly structure to the upside, broke 4-hour structure, not on ES because we respected this gap, but oh no, we broke 4-hour structure to the upside on both S&P 500 and Nasdaq. We broke hourly structure, so my bias was kind of bullish. But what happened? It was that we broke 5-minute structure to the downside. We were only moving up for such a big period of time up until this point, so I figured that we would need to get some type of retrace if we're not like going to take out these highs off rip. So like when I saw that we broke 5-minute structure to the downside, we filled this 5-minute fair value gap. I thought that if we are going to inverse it, we are for sure going to hit those highs. And I actually wanted to take my trade on ES, so like yeah. But this was kind of a pivotal point in today's market open, this little gap right here. I thought that if we're going to at least like inverse it on one of the two indices, we're going to be bullish. But we respected it on both. After we respected this 5-minute fair value gap, not once but 2 times, we broke 1-minute structure to the downside. And I thought I should enter my trade here. But I was a little bit patient, and that's why patience pays. And I avoided me getting spooked because we broke 1-minute structure to the upside and my stop loss would have been like right here. That wouldn't have been too nice. That would have spooked the shit out of me. But when I saw that we respected this, holy shit. When I saw that we respected this 5-minute fair value gap on NQ again, and we made this 1-minute inverse fair value gap, I highlighted right here with the red rectangle. I just entered my position on NQ because we didn't actually touch into this hourly fair value gap. So it was the only thing that was like holding us from going higher, touching into this bullish confluence. So yeah, I won the trade. I made $790 today. I hit take profit 1, which were these 1-minute lows, and like the beginning of this hourly gap, which I just put a line right here. And yeah, the rest of my position got stopped out at break even. But then what happened? Well, we broke 5-minute structure to the upside later when I finished my stream, because by the way, this trade was taken off stream, so you could literally see everything that I was doing. I saw that we broke 5-minute structure right here on this candle on both S&P 500 and Nasdaq. We made a 5-minute retrace on both S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and we made equal highs right here, right the fuck here on Nasdaq. So obviously, I really wanted to short. No, sorry, I really wanted to long. I'm sorry. I really wanted to long up to these highs. And my position would have been on this inverse fair value gap. It would have been a 1-to-1 trade again that I would have won. But I figured that if I already made money today, there was no reason for me to actually get in another position that could mean that I could have lost money. So why would I end the trade on break even or even red when I could end the day green? And this is a big problem that many of you guys have. You overtrade. Bro, once you made your money, just get off the charts, because this is what I did. I just threw away my phone, just shut down my PC, and like went, took a shower, and like I just saw about my day. But yeah, you shouldn't take trades like this. You shouldn't overtrade. If you already made money today, bro, don't enter another position. I was kind of mad because I only made $790 and I really wanted to make more because I really want to pass my eval. But this is not a proper way to do it. This really isn't the proper way to do it. We shouldn't chase the big wins and like make a big amount of money in one day. Even though I'm in my eval and I didn't pass my eval on this account yet, I know I shouldn't chase that. Because if I already made money today, why would I put myself into a position where I could lose money? That would take me one step further of actually achieving my goal, which is to pass my funded account and to get a payout. And in the long run, bro, this will actually advantage yourself. Because let's say I would have won this trade. Let's say I would have made the double that I made today. Let's say I would have made $1,500. Okay, I would have been way closer of actually achieving actually passing my eval. But if this shit happened tomorrow and I would have lost the trade, that would again take me one step further. So I could have lost the trade today and I would have lost the trade one other day because I would have done this shit. But I own my psychology. I know when I should get in trades and when I shouldn't. If I lose a trade, some of y'all guys might call this revenge trading or something like that, but if I know my bias was correct, or if I know what price wants to do, I will re-enter that position with a lower amount of risk. And that's what you should do. Let me put my webcam real quick because we're not going to watch charts anymore. But yeah, this is what you should do. This is how you should trade. And don't take like my words for advice, because you know every trader is different in some type of way. For you, this shit may work and you may know when to take these type of trades and when you shouldn't. But for me, this is what works. This is what works for me. I knew that if I'm going to do this shit now, I'm going to do this shit another time as well. So again, why would I put myself into a position where I could lose money 2 times? When I could just take the win and go home, you know? I'm still one step closer of actually passing my eval and getting a payout. So like, why would I do that? You got to just solve up your psychology. Because if you are doing these type of stuff, like you're never going to make it. If you don't own your own mind, how the fuck do you expect for yourself to make money? And not just in trading, in any other business, in any other business model. Like for real, how the fuck would you expect yourself to make money when you cannot hold yourself of losing money? It's just crazy. So like, yeah, I don't really got homework to give you today, but like, yeah, when this shit happens to you, just know that it happened to me before, so don't do my mistakes. Don't make the same mistakes as I did. I'm trying to teach you guys and I'm trying to help you guys. You know? So like, just don't do the dumb shit that I did. Well, I know that for some of y'all, this will reach you and you'll actually listen to what I said. But I know that for many others, this you will just not give a single fuck about this video. You'll just watch this and go do the same shit. And that's a you problem. That's something that you have to solve by yourself. And that's something that when you are going to like just confront, you are going to really understand. So up until the point you are really trying, you will really like grab this problem in your hands. Only then you will be able to actually understand what I wanted to say. But yeah, well, this is the video for today. I'm going to end this shit right here. I hope that you understood something off of what I showed you. You shouldn't chase the big wins. You shouldn't like pass your funded account in one fucking day. Even though, you know, passing your eval in 2 days, on the other hand, it's okay. And I'm trying to do that. But if price just doesn't give me that and decides to stop me out at break even, who am I to trade again and to revenge trade, trying to make some more money, and maybe I will lose some of that. So like, yeah, get a hold of your psychology and I'll see you into the next one. I hope you really understood something off of this video. Bye.